Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Telbum Fog Machine 1500 watt party gun with 6 LEDs. This is an handheld fog machine with a stand with a belt for dual use. We have a time of action. We have a fog machine for a Halloween party, for a DJ, for the disco, for the stage, and for weddings. And for everyday use, of course. We have here an upgraded hand mist gun. No need to connect the CO2 cylinder. We just add normal mist oil to use the mist machine. 1500 watt fog machine can produce dense fog. It can reach the range of 26 feet to meet the needs of a small party smoke cover. Equipped with an LCD display to accurately show the status of the device, which is easy to adjust and ensure a stable fog. And this looks really cool, eh? Yeah, we have a cool light effect. The built-in RGB LEDs with 7 solid colors and strobe mode that synchronize the fog with the light to enhance the Halloween horror scenes or the DJ event types. And good vibes. Customize the color modes via the hand control to customize the atmosphere too. And it's really easy to use. This 1500 watt hand fog gun is much easier to use than a conventional smoking machine that requires a connection of bulky gas cylinders. With an adjustable strap, we can flexibly switch between shoulder and hand mode, and it can also be attached with a stand, thus making it an ideal choice for a lot of parties, smaller parents, and other locations. And with a time of action, because this product has a powerful time control function that allows the direction of the interval of smoke emissions to be really set. We have a quick warm-up time of 2 up to 3 minutes. Ready to use at the start of the party. That's suited for multiple occasions. It can be safely used for a nice party, stage performance, business events, birthday parties, family celebrations, small performances, and other occasions that easily enhance the feeling of the atmosphere and make the event more nice and cool. We have a high performance, full color mode, timer function, 1500 watt fog machine. That's nice for parties, baby. Created for every joyful moment. As a party, as a DJ, for the Halloween, for the club, and for birthday. Easy peasy connecting. Yeah, we fill in the fog liquid. We remove the tank, fill in the fog liquid. We put the tank back into position, and we tighten the tank cap. Then we are preheating. We connected the fog gun to the power source and turned it on. We wait 2 or 3 minutes for the heating process is completed. Then we have a parameter setting. We set the light color or mode or the timer function. We set the interval and the duration as we need it. And after, we can go to the spray. After completing of the preheating, we pull the production or press the button to the manual, the trigger or the manual button, and then the atomizer cannon begins to spray. Observe all warnings and operations, of course, in the instruction on that device, because it will be not good if you do not watch in the instruction, of course, because this is a device which is maybe harmful, so take care of you. We ensure good ventilation. Although the most of the fog liquids are harmless, it is still necessary to ensure good ventilation of the room to avoid irritating of the respiration tract. We turn off the appliance before filling in the mist liquid. We keep the flammable objects away from the appliance to avoid the risk of fire, because it is warm, of course. We make sure that children do not have the access to the device and pay special attention to safety duration operation. And if the fog is too dense and it impairs the view of breathing or the spectators or performers, the operation should be interrupted. And we always be prepared for emergencies, including the ability to quickly turn off the device and eliminate the fog. You have all what you need. We have a smoke gun, we have a wire, and we have a stand, we have a belt, and an extraction, of course. The only thing we will need to prepare or to buy ourselves is the oil, the fog oil. This all is possible for a good party with the Telbum Fog Machine. 1500 watt power. That's the big thing on your next party. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.